Good evening, beautiful soul. I'm Serenity. Thank you for joining me tonight under this powerful supermoon. This is a sacred time to pause, reflect, and reconnect with the rhythms of nature and your own inner peace. Find a quiet space where you can see the moon or simply feel its presence. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly release through your mouth. With each breath, feel your body soften. Imagine the moonlight falling down over you, golden, warm, and healing. Let it fill every cell of your body with calm and light. What have you grown this year? What blessings have you received? What burdens are ready to be released? Allows the moonlight to wash away any heaviness, making this space for clarity, gratitude, and renewal. Now, repeat this to yourself. I am connected to the rhythms of the universe. I am connected to the rhythms of the universe. I released what no longer served me. I released what no longer served me. I welcome peace, purpose, and light. I welcome peace, purpose, and light. Take one last deep breath. As you exhale, imagine letting go and opening your heart to a new beginning. Thank you for sharing this beautiful moment with me. May these supermoons bring you peace, clarity, and a heart full of light. Sending you so much love and gratitude. Serenity.